Yes, it's back once again with another video, and today I am going to show you a quick little video about this turntable that I picked up. This is an Audio Technica. It's actually wicked, man. It's like a SL1210. It feels quite good. It's quite sturdy. Some of the buttons feel a bit lightweight, like for example that stop button. If you compare that to the SL1200, as you can see, look, it's quite solid. It comes with a slip mat. It comes with also one of these 45 little disc things here. I haven't actually switched it on yet, but yeah, it's got a light, all the traits of a 1210. Look, it's pretty much like a 1210 record. Okay, that doesn't feel as solid as a normal 1210. Some things feel a little bit on the cheap side, but hey, this is just for me to check out vinyl, and it's a little bit up from just using one of these crappy old, you know, what you call it, USB little ones that come in the briefcase. On the back is cool. It's also got USB, so you can string it up and use your software to record if you want to sort of archive your whole collection. Or it's got outputs at the back. There's also like a switch, yeah, that switches between phono and line. So if you just want to use it as a straight line, you don't have to use it with a high phono pickup mixer. You can just use it as straight into a CD input or something like that. In theory, it means I could actually use this with my DDJ controller if I really wanted to, because that's got line ins, and I suppose this would just plug straight into it if I really wanted to. But as I said, I just bought this for checking out vinyl as it's come back from the press and stuff. It's got a little needle holder at the back there, as you can see, look. And you know, generally it's a good turntable. It's quite heavy. You know, it's got all the traits of a Technics turntable. Comes with a stylus as well. That was easy to fit up. And you've got the old lift arm here. You've got the safety clip as well, which is cool. You know, what more could I ask for? And also, look here, you've got 3345. Oh, very important thing about it as well is it's got this new button here, which is a pitch plus 20 and 10%. So if you've got a tune that's kind of slow and you want to speed it up in the mix, I guess you can do that. So having a pair of this is pretty cool. It does a forward and reverse buttons. You know, this is a cool thing, man. Like, probably as good as the Technics with a few more perks, sort of just over half the price, brand new. So I'll give this one a big thumbs up, man. It comes with the case, pretty easy to put together, well packaged. They also give you the instruction manual, a few other cables here depending on your connectivity, a few different power cables to go with it depending on what country you're in, and also a fat little manual to read, shows you how to put it all together. But I've done alright on my own. So guys, that's it for today's video. I'll give that one a big thumbs up. If anybody wants to go out and grab one, I got mine from amazon.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description. More likely it'll be an affiliate link, you know what I mean? So I might get a little commission off that if you guys use my link. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, God bless, peace.